Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel of Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Looks yummy, masarap na pang breakfast, pang merienda, at pwede na rin itong pang negosyo. Sharing to you guys my version of bread roll. A simple recipe, but so yummy. So, ito yung mga sangkap natin. Of course, meron tayong eggs. You can use 3 to 4 eggs and then breadcrumbs. And then, of course, meron tayong cornstarch. And then, the other ingredients, meron din tayong ditong crab stick, ham, and cheese. And of course, meron din tayong sliced bread. Okay, so ito yung mga ingredients natin. Okay, so sa bread, make sure na i-flatten natin to make it thin. Para pagka thin siya, manipis, mas madaling i-roll kasi gagawin nga nating bread roll. Ayan, so ito na yung ginawa natin. So, maglagay din kayo ng toothpick para yung bread roll natin ay hindi mag-open. So, intact pa rin siya. So, for me, i-air fry ko ang ating bread rolls para less oil. But you have the option to deep fry the bread rolls or pwede nyo rin po siyang i-bake. So, it's up to you kung saan yung gusto nyong way na lutuin ang ating bread rolls. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Hope na gustuhan nyo ang recipe natin for today, that you will try it at home for your loved ones. Bye for now. God bless. Bye. Thank you.